Guys, we're back for the candy yams. So we're going to put a little bit of light corn syrup on the candy yams as a coating. And this is light corn syrup. Okay. That was approximately 3 teaspoons. Now we're just going to take a little bit of cinnamon. Not too much cinnamon. Approximately a teaspoon of cinnamon. After you put that cinnamon on there, you're going to put your vanilla flavor in. This is generic vanilla, not the real vanilla. So we're going to put 2 teaspoons because it's not the real one. So it's not that powerful. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our nutmeg on here. And that's a whole teaspoon of nutmeg that you're putting in. Next is allspice. Whole teaspoon. It may look like it's a lot, but it's not. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the sugar over in it. I am one of the people, and my kids and my family, we love our candy yams to be sweet. So I use 2 bowls of sugar. Take the first bowl and do the first layer. After you do the first layer, you just want to mix some stuff around so you know everything is covered. Everything is covered. All the flavoring is going through. So nothing is sitting. All the flavor is going through all the candy yams. So no flavor sitting on top of one another and it's causing a big mess. We don't want that. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of the sugar on there. After you finish putting the sugar on there, we're going to go ahead and cut the salted butter. We're going to use 2 sticks of the salted butter. So it's going to put the butter on top of it. Reason why I say 2 sticks is to make sure that the whole pan is covered with the 2 sticks. That's the reason. Alright, after we get that done, we're going to put a little bit of water on it just so it can have enough water at the bottom of the pan for it to steam. You guys know I don't use faucet water, so we're going to use a bottle of water. Alright, so we have the water. I'm just going to take the water, pour it on one area so it's not totally drowning the flavor off of the candy yams. Alright. And we are all finished. We're going to cover this up. We're going to put it on 375